Hi there, Tom Hughes here from Improvement Starts With I, and today I want to talk about problem solvers. Because in Lean, it's a term that gets thrown around all the time. We all want problem solvers, don't we? But I'd like to challenge that because it's not enough. If we're just fixing what bugs us and fixing and solving the problem that's right in front of us, and that's our constant focus, we're not going to get where we need to go. Uh, we're constantly going to be fixing what bugs us every single day. And maybe that's not what we want, because if we go beyond that and not just fix what bugs us, but what caused this to happen, what's our countermeasure, and start to be countermeasure thinkers and think, how do we prevent that from happening again? And that's always the second level of thought, then we're definitely going to get better results. And that's really where we need to be and want to be, is in that place where we don't have the constant noise of having to fix everything all the time and constant defects and constant noise within our system. We're always looking to eliminate them permanently. And that's another level from Fix What Bugs You. That was all brought on with a discussion with a good lean friend of mine a few minutes ago. And I just thought I'd share the nuggets with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those good things. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll get back to my couch now. Have a great weekend all.